How to set Arabic language on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, at the top, tap on language, then tap on add language. In here, you want to scroll down the list and select Arabic, or you can search for it. Next in here, select a language from your region and then choose set as default. Here we have now got Arabic language on the device. Now another things that you can do is download the Arabic language pack. So in here we scroll down and tap on Arabic. Once you download this pack, this language pack, you can use it for voice input, text to speech output, translation, and other features. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.